All right, my name is Mark. I'm a Christian. I had a miracle happen to me over the last 2 nights. For I would say all of 2021, except for the last 2 nights, I've had insomnia. And I had insomnia before that. I prayed about insomnia. It went away, but it's come back. It was away for a long time. For about a year or 2 years, something like that, it went away. But I had insomnia come back, and it was pretty bad. But it wasn't as bad as before because I used to sleep at weird hours. I would sleep maybe at 3 o'clock in the morning, then I would sleep at 6 o'clock in the morning, then I would sleep at 9 o'clock in the morning, then I would sleep at noon. So that's not happening anymore. But for all of 2021, I think part of 2020, the year 2020 and the year 2021, I was going to bed very late. I used to take sleeping pills. I refuse to take them anymore. I don't really like taking sleeping pills, and I don't need them, or I didn't think I don't need them. I slept well the last few nights. I prayed in Jesus' name. I prayed that I would go to sleep in Jesus' name. And I said, if there's any reason you want me to stay up, Father, let me stay up. And if you will let me go to bed, if you'll let me go to sleep, then let's do that. Let me go to sleep in Jesus' name, unless there's a reason for me to be up. And the night before, I was up late anyway. But I went to bed about 1 or something like that, or 12:30, and I slept through. When I was going to sleep between like about 4 and 8 in the morning. And I couldn't get to bed, I couldn't get to sleep any earlier. And last night I prayed the same thing, and I started getting sleepy before 12 o'clock midnight. I'm a night owl anyway. I started getting sleepy, which rarely happens to me. Getting sleepy, I just go to bed. I never really get sleepy. I just go to bed. And last night I was sleepy. But the power of prayer. God can do things for you if you trust in Him. People talk about having faith. But if your faith can't do anything, then it's not faith. If you have faith, you can get what you ask for. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next year, or even 10 years from now. But if you need something now, God will give it to you now. Okay?